Every single household needs an essential sauce that slaps. They can put it on everything and it just is amazing. And today I'm going to be showing you how to do that. In Kiswahili, we call what I'm about to make pilipili ya kukaanga. And in English, it's just cooked chilies, but in my version. Welcome to another episode of Miss Mandi Throwdown, where I get to show you how we make something extremely delicious. As per the usual, a quick rundown of the ingredients. You pretty much have all these things in your pantry. We have about 1.5 big tomatoes that we've cut up. We have 1 celery stem. We also have 1 onion, a huge onion cut into half. We have 3 cloves of garlic, 4 chili peppers. Now, I want to point out something. These chili peppers are quite mild, of course, to my palate. However, if you want to go hotter, you can go with a habanero. If you want to go with no chili, you can use 1 chili. They're not that hot. Trust me on this. We also have half a carrot over here. We also have 1 clove, just to add a little bit of warmth to our sauce. And lastly, we have curry powder. The beautiful thing about this recipe is that everything happens in one pot, big chunky things that we get to blend down. So let's head on over to the stove and throw it down. Our pan is nice and hot. We're adding in our onion, our carrot, celery, chilies, tomatoes, garlic, our clove, and our curry powder. And we're just gonna leave for everything to cook down nice and slow. We're also gonna add in a pinch of salt. If you need the measurements, everything is in the description box below. And we're just gonna leave for everything to cook down. So we've gone ahead to cook everything until it's soft. You can see the tomatoes, the skin has peeled off, the onions are falling apart with ease. And now we're just gonna go ahead and blend. I'm using my hand blender. You can of course put this in a blender and blend it all together as well. Now, I know all of you guys saw me blend this mixture. If you are gonna put it in a blender, I do want to remind you that you might want to let the stuff cool down, especially if you don't have a glass blender. Just let them cool down before you blend them. And then also pour the mixture back into the pot. And of course, adjust accordingly. I added more salt to my liking, and then I just let things simmer to really know each other well. Now, just a quick tip for those of you who possibly don't have a fridge, or you want to take this on the go, or just want to leave it out on your countertops. I do want to say that once you put this in a jar, put in just a little bit layer of oil. This helps seal it and not let mold or let it go bad. Also, you can add a squeeze of lemon into this, or just like a hint of vinegar. Anything with a little bit of acid can really make this go a long way in your fridge, on your countertop as well. One other thing that I would say though is if you're not into the fibrous feel or texture that celery has, then I would say omit the celery, because celery in itself has fiber. And if you're gonna use a ginger thumb, just make sure for it to be already smooth or a mince, so that way you don't have any fibrous parts of it in your sauce. It's very important to remember those two things, especially the celery and ginger contain fiber. Now that I'm done with my tips, let's put the sauce in the jar. Attacked. In Kiswahili we say mchele ni mmoja mapishi ni mengi. Now, I know there's different variations of how people make pilipili ya kukaanga, lakini wewe waweza kuniambia ni nini wa add into your pilipili in the comment section below. Don't even hesitate. Let me know what you add into your chili sauce that you be making at home. I'm very curious, by the way. In the meantime, though, I want to say I am looking forward to your comments and to your feedback as well. Please share this recipe with a pilipili lover, because fam, this is gonna slap. Until the next episode, I hope you're eating delicious, and don't forget to check out my other episodes that I've dropped this month. We have a notch higher video where you can try out KFC sticky wings, and to top it off, if you're gonna be romancing someone this weekend, check out that date night recipe and cook up something. Peace.